A Kentucky family's rebuilding after losing their home in a devastating fire 10 days before Christmas. It happened this week in Casey County, that's in south central Kentucky. Matthew and Gina Atwood and their 3 children lost everything when their home went up in flames. The house now considered a total loss, and it wasn't covered by insurance.
There's a few things that may have survived, but it'd be like medals. I know me and my wife have 2 crosses. That's very sentimental to us. Excuse me.
A GoFundMe has been established to help this family with expenses in the coming months.